So in this video we're gonna show you how to use workspace in Atom, which is basically allowing you to add in a folder and then have a tree view to have an overview of the different files you have. So we can say test here, then we can go in and open this here. Inside here you can then create a new file, say index.html, and then we can go in and create a folder called CSS, folder called app, and then we can go in and make a new folder called output, and you can see it will just basically appear as if it was a tree view. So it's like this is our parent element, this is our parent folder, then we have another subfolder, subfolder to CSS, and a subfile, which then all of them will be showed in here and make it more simple for you to navigate between the different kind of files there. So that's how you can use the workspace in Atom to simplify your process.